Welcome viewers to Startup News. I am your host Aishwarya. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors, and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views, and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app from Google Play Store. Top headlines for today are: Paytm's IPO crashes over 27% on day one. The IT Ministry introduces PDP bill to sharpen digital economy. Hackmania is organizing world's largest DAO hackathon. Now the news in detail are: 197 Communications, the parent company of Paytm, plummeted more than 25% on its first day of trading. What was supposed to be India's biggest IPO listing ended up to be the worst listing debut of the seven Indian tech startups that went public in 2021. Additional Secretary of the IT Ministry, Dr. Rajendra Kumar, is looking forward to a boost for the country's data and digital economy with the Personal Data Protection Bill for startups. Open innovation platform Hackmania is organizing the world's largest DAO hackathon series. The first edition is called DAO Hack, which will be an India US bilateral edition. The aim is to find and fund the best solutions built on the decentralized autonomous organization tech stack. Geospatial platform MapMyIndia is putting a keen eye on the search of B2B and B2C market to map their services. According to Rohan Verma, CEO of MapMyIndia, they decided to go for an IPO due to the overwhelming response to recent startup listings and policy push for geospatial startups by the Indian government. Zomato is planning to make an investment of $500 million in Grofers. This will be so far the biggest investment for a food delivery and restaurant discovery platform. Starbucks became the cashierless cafe in partnership with Amazon Go. Now the customers can access any item from Starbucks and will be in touch through online methods. E-commerce beauty platform Purple is planning to buy shares of premium cosmetics and skincare brand Faces Cosmetics for an undisclosed amount. EdTech platform Inspira has bagged Rs 2.3 crores as a part of its seed funding round led by angel investors. The funds will be used for improving tech platforms, improving brand presence, and boosting their customer base. Enterprise skilling startup Disperse has raised $13 million in a Series B funding round held by Dallas Venture Capital and Mars Growth Capital. Now they are planning to grow their market in the United States, Southeast Asia, and Middle East. Better Capital has raised its maiden fund of $15.28 billion to scale its pre-seed and seed investment strategy. Silicon Valley entrepreneur Vaibhav Domkundwar is solo general partner at Better Capital. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.